These are not just financial strategies, they are patterns of thinking, behavior, and decision making that separate the wealthy from those who stay stuck. This is not about judgment, it's about awareness. Once you see the difference, you can begin to change the game. Number one, the rich focus on opportunities, the poor focus on obstacles. Rich people train their minds to see potential, where to invest, what to build, and how to grow. Poor mindsets often see what could go wrong first. Fear dominates action. Instead of asking, how can I afford this? They say, I can't afford this. That single shift in language is the difference between creating wealth and avoiding risk. Number two, the rich learn continuously. The poor stop after school. Wealthy people treat education as lifelong. They read, take courses, hire mentors, and constantly update their knowledge. Poorer individuals often think school is the only time to learn. In a fast changing world, not learning is falling behind. Number three, the rich take calculated risks. The poor play it safe. Wealth requires stepping into the unknown. Rich people assess risks, run the numbers, and take action. Poor individuals often avoid risk altogether, preferring stability, even if that stability is paycheck to paycheck. But no risk often means no reward. Number four, the rich build multiple income streams, the poor rely only on one. A single income stream is fragile. The wealthy diversify through investments, businesses, side hustles, or royalties. If one stream slows, others keep flowing. Poorer individuals tend to rely on a job alone, which leaves them vulnerable to layoffs, illnesses, or economic shifts. Number five, the rich prioritize long term gains, the poor chase short term comfort. Rich people delay gratification. They invest money instead of spending it. Poor mindsets often choose immediate pleasure, new gadgets, fast food, or weekend splurges at the cost of long term stability. Wealth is built over time, not overnight. Number six, the rich track their finances. The poor avoid looking. Wealthy people know exactly where their money goes. They check budgets, monitor investments, and review expenses. Poor individuals often avoid looking at their finances out of fear or denial, which leads to money mysteries and constant stress. Number seven, the rich surround themselves with other high achievers. The poor stay in comfort zones. Your circle influences your net worth. Rich people seek out mentors, ambitious peers, and networks that challenge them. Poor mindsets cling to familiarity, even if it holds them back. If you're always the smartest or most motivated person in the room, you're in the wrong room. Number eight, the rich leverage time and money. The poor trade time for money. Rich people build systems that work without them investments, businesses, automation. Poor individuals often trade hours for paychecks. Time is their currency. The wealthy, meanwhile, use money to buy back time and create passive income. Number nine, the rich set goals. The poor drift through life. Rich people are goal setters. They know where they want to be financially, personally, and professionally, and they map out how to get there. Poor individuals often live reactively. Without clear goals, money is spent without purpose and progress is random. Number 10. The rich believe they control their future. The poor believe they're victims of circumstances. Wealthy people embrace ownership. They believe their actions shape their outcomes. Poor individuals may blame the economy, their upbringing, or external forces. While those factors are real, rich mindsets focus on what they can control and act accordingly. Number 11. The rich value learning over entertainment. The poor do the opposite. Rich people consume content that teaches books, podcasts, finance channels, business interviews. Poorer individuals often default to entertainment, reality TV, scrolling, video games. A few hours a week can be the difference between education and escape. Number 12. The rich buy assets first. The poor buy liabilities first. Assets put money in your pocket. Liabilities take it out. Rich people invest in real estate, stocks, or businesses before splurging. Poor individuals often buy expensive cars, clothes, or tech before building a financial foundation, creating a lifestyle they can't afford. Number 13. The rich learn how money works. The poor assume it's complicated. The wealthy study personal finance. They understand debt, taxes, interest, and investing. Poor mindsets often avoid the subject, thinking it's too complicated or boring. The truth? Learning how money works is how you stop working for it. Number 14. The rich invest in themselves, the poor wait for someone else to do it. Whether it's learning a new skill, improving health, or building confidence, the wealthy invest time and money into personal development. Poorer individuals often wait for a lucky break or external help, but the real change starts within. Number 15. The rich think in net worth, the poor think in paychecks. Rich people measure wealth by net worth, assets minus liabilities. Poorer mindsets think only in income. How much do I make each month? Someone earning $100,000 but spending it all is less wealthy than someone earning $60,000 and investing half. Number 16. The rich know the power of compound interest, the poor ignore it. Wealthy individuals take advantage of time and compound growth. They invest early and let money grow exponentially. Poor individuals often miss the opportunity by saving too little, too late, or not investing at all, missing out on decades of growth. Number 17. The rich build credit strategically, the poor misuse it. Rich people understand how to use credit to their advantage, building scores, accessing leverage, and earning rewards. Poor individuals often use credit to fund a lifestyle, racking up interest and hurting their financial future. Number 18. The rich create before they consume, the poor consume first. Wealthy people focus on creating value, products, services, content, investments before spending. Poorer mindsets often consume impulsively, whether it's money, time, or attention. Creation builds wealth, consumption burns it. Number 19. The rich have financial conversations, the poor avoid them. Money isn't taboo in wealthy circles. They talk about investments, deals, taxes, and goals. Poorer individuals often avoid money conversations, at home, with friends, even with themselves. Number 20. The rich have a financial plan. The poor rely on hope. Hope is not a strategy. Wealthy people plan their financial future. They know how much they want to save, invest, and retire with. Poor mindsets often hope things will just work out. Planning brings clarity. Hope on its own rarely leads to wealth. Let's be clear. Wealth is not just about privilege, luck, or inheritance. It's about behavior, habits, and mindset. The difference between the rich and the poor are rarely about intelligence. They're about the choices made every day. Which of these 20 habits hit home for you? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you think differently about money, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content just like this. Share this with someone who's ready to make change. Thanks for watching.